Hello everyone, in the previous tutorial we have seen what is latex, what are the parts of a latex program, and we have seen how it was useful when compared to a word processor. From this tutorial we will start working with latex practically. For that to work with latex you need a latex software. TextMaker is the latex software I was using in Ubuntu OS system. You choose any offline software of latex available to you. The interface will be different from one another, but the program and the commands, everything will be same. So I'm using TextMaker here. This is the interface of this, and let's start with a new file. For that, just create a new one and save this. My latex. So let's start with the program. For that, let's see how to start. Actually, the first step is we should define the document class, and the syntax for that is \document class. We should define the options, and next we should define the type of the document we want to make in the curly braces. The options available for us are 12 point, 11 point, 10 point. These are the size of the font we want to choose. And next, A4, B5, letter paper, legal paper. Those are the size of the papers we will choose. And next, one-sided, two-sided are the actually by default article and report are one-sided, whereas book is two-sided. So if you want to choose with that, you can choose one-sided or two-sided by defining in the options. And next, title page, 2-column. If you want to make entire document in a 2-column, then you should use this 2-column option. And next, type, an article, report, book, letter, chart, slides, beamer. Those are the type of the documents available for us, and we will choose that according to our requirement. Next, to the document class you should add the packages, and the syntax for that is \use package and the package name. Thus we will add the packages which are required. Xcolor is for colors, graphics is to add images and background images, ULM for underlining, and many other packages we will use according to the requirement. And next, starting with the document, we will start document with the command begin document, and we will end with the end document. The entire code between these two commands will be typesetted. So let's start with that. Let's define the document class. Let the options be let the size of the font be 12 points, or you can give 11 points, but whether if you give 10 points or not, it won't matter, because by default the size was 10 points, and by default the size of the paper is A4. Let's make the size of the paper B5. Next, let the document class be article. Next, use packages. We will add those when we come to the need of those. Next, begin the document. Let's write your start with a simple thing, hello. We will see the output here. To see this entire page, just click here, or you can zoom to the percentage using this. See, we got hello. Let's say hello everyone. Welcome. In the next line, let's type this is my first latex program, build this. You can see it was printed on the same line, though you went to the next line in this program, the output was in the same line. So you can understand that the indentation will be here the output will be concentrating only on typesetting. If you want to go to the next line particularly, then you should leave a line space between the two lines you want to print. So then it will go to the next line. Let's see now. See, you have got into the next line, and that's you can go to the next line. And when compare next, the same thing, let's copy this line, and you can use, instead of leaving one line space, you can also use double backslash. That also goes to the next line. Let's see now. See, it was went to the next line, but whereas you can see the difference. It was started when you leave the space. It was when you leave one line space, it went to the next line and it made the same indentation, whereas with the double backslash it was at the start of the page, there was no indentation. So the reason for that is paragraph scenario. If how to say, if consider this as a paragraph and you just leave the space, then the next paragraph was starting with the indentation, and when you use double backslash, this was like a point scenario, so it will be start with the from the margin itself. So you will be clear with those, that with the more examples in the upcoming tutorial when we see about paragraphs and sub paragraphs and those things. And that's it. Let's clear this. Now make another example. Two plus 2 is equals to 4. Let's build this. Here we got the same result, whereas this was a simple mathematical thing, we got it. But whereas the complex things, when we use some mathematical symbols, then we have to use a dollar symbol. X square plus 2y. Oh, let's go to the next line. Yeah, if you see, we got the equation because we used the dollar symbol before and after that mathematical notation. If you don't use that, see, there will be an error, because as a text it don't understand what is this caret symbol here. When we use the dollar symbol before and after the mathematical equation, it understands the caret symbol as per power and it will print that as power x square. So thus that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will see the organization of a document, and then paragraph, sub paragraph,